This is Potensic Atom drone, and in today's video I will show how you can set this little device up, connect it to your phone, and pretty much do everything you are supposed to do in order to set it up for the first flight. So first, on your device, should it be Android or iOS, doesn't matter, the process is going to be almost identical. Open the application store. On an Android, you will need to launch the Google Play Store, on an iPhone App Store respectively. Then look for this Potensic Pro application, just use the App Store search. Get this app installed. Launch the app once it is installed. Here you will need to sign up for a Potensic account or log into the account if you have one. I do have an account I can log in, so let me quickly input my credentials off camera. Then, once your credentials are correctly inputted, select your drone. In our case, it is going to be a regular Atom drone. Now, what I want you to do is to take your remote controller. We'll begin by mounting this little control sticks, so take them out and then screw it in, just like that. Next, unfold the antennas. Then take your phone, plug the data connection cable in, and then mount it on the remote controller. Here, if you are curious, or if you are concerned rather, about where this cable will go, since the position of this phone is like the remote controller holds the phone from left and right rather than top and bottom. So yeah, the remote controller has this little pocket which the cable gets tucked in, so no worries on that end. So now unfold it like that, mount your phone, and then connect the other end of the cable to the Type-C port you have here. Once everything is interconnected, you should get a prompt on your phone, which will ask for the permissions to be given. Or actually before that, you will need to obviously power the remote controller on. So do that by holding this button here. Now it is switched on. Let's wait for the prompt to appear. Yep, so here it is. Confirm. And then we should be able to get to the next step. Yep, so now we should prepare the drone. So unzip this Velcro. Then unfold the legs, starting with the front legs. Take the gimbal or camera gimbal protection cap, of course, which I already did. Now also unfold the back legs as well. Next, put the battery in, make sure that those contact points are aligned, and simply slide it in. Now, at the drone's belly, you will find the power button. So in order to switch on the drone, you will need to press and then press it again and hold. So 1, and the second press, you also hold it. As you could have heard and seen, the drone has been switched on respectively. Now let's wait for the connection to be set up, since it is happening entirely automatically, so you will not need to enter any Wi-Fi passwords or other things of that sort. Just wait for the remote controller and aircraft to be automatically connected. Yep, so then grant app with all essential permissions such as location and files. And here we have it, everything has been set up. And you can start flying your drone from there, or from here rather. So, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, Thanks for watching and bye bye.